A woman is closest to being naked when she is well dressed. There are people who have money and people who are rich. You can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, and irresistible for the rest of your life. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of vulgarity. Dress like you are going to meet your worst enemy today. If you race, add more lipstick and a tack. A woman with good shoes is never ugly. Elegance is refusal. The most courageous act is still to think for yourself, aloud. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. I don't do fashion, I am fashion. I only drink champagne on 2 occasions, when I am in love and when I am not. Simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. Fashion changes, but style endures. Fashion has 2 purposes, comfort and love. Beauty comes when fashion succeeds. You live but once, you might as well be amusing. Nature gives you the face you have at 20, life shapes the face you have at 30, but at 50 you get the face you deserve. Dress shabbily and they remember the dress, dress impeccably and they remember the woman. A woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. A woman can be overdressed but never over-elegant. Elegance does not consist in putting on a new dress. Adornment, what a science. Beauty, what a weapon. Modesty, what elegance. I don't care what you think of me. I don't think of you at all. My life didn't please me, so I created my life.
Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications, so you don't regret missing life-changing advice from some of the greatest thinkers in history.